If you want to set up Do Not Disturb mode on Pixel 9a, just start by opening Settings, scroll into Notifications, and now you have to go into Do Not Disturb mode that is available in the general settings. Now, before you turn it on, you can set it up for what can interrupt, so people, apps, and you can simply add some messages, applications, or contacts, or calls. And it looks actually the same for apps, alarms, and you can even set a schedule, so you can automatically turn it on for a specific time and until specific time. You can use multiple schedules if you want. By clicking here, you can just create event, time, or for example, when you are driving. And below we can also find duration for the quick settings. So if you try to turn it on by using quick settings, you can simply pick one of the following options for duration, like until you turn it off, for a few hours, or you can get ask every time. And here you can also display options for filtered notifications. You can adjust them, also up to your preferences. And at the end, all you have to do is just to click here to turn it on and off. When the Do Not Disturb mode is turned on, this icon will be visible at the top of the status bar.